After their journey in Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition, Kapamilya stars Ivana Alawi and AC Bonifacio, along with Kapuso actress Ashley Ortega, are set to grace the highly anticipated ABS-CBN Ball this Friday, April 4. Ivana, who was the first to exit the PBB house after her house guest stint, shared details about her outfit for the glamorous evening. Yung dress that I'm wearing is made by an international designer. It's called Di Pecha. She's a Greek designer who lives in, who's from London at custom-made yung gown. So, kinustom nila for me, and in-air flown pa namin para umabot, Ivana shared with Push ABS-CBN. Ivana is also eager to reconnect with fellow artists. I think, getting to know other artists, at syempre makakapag-bonding, drinks, and all, enjoy, parang it's just a night full of enjoyment, she added. She also looks forward to seeing past colleagues and one of her favorite stars. Of course yung mga nakaka-work ko dati, and I'm excited to see them again, and yung isa sa mga pinaka-na-excite ako, of course, Miss Catherine Bernardo, pasabog na pasabog siya nung last ball and mabait siya sobrang bait niya, so, nag-hi siya and all, so, yung excited ako na makita siya, she expressed. For AC Bonifacio, this year's ABS-CBN Ball is even more special as her PBB duo, Ashley Ortega, will also be attending. In an exclusive interview with Push ABS-CBN after their time in the PBB house, AC expressed her excitement about introducing Ashley to her Kapamilya friends. Actually, I'm so glad Ate Ash will also be there because it's familiarity na kasi I feel like I will be very overwhelmed also being in such a big event with not new faces but nakakapanibago po kasi talaga after being in a house with these people for 3 weeks, AC shared. She went on, so, seeing Ate Ash there will really give me that sense of comfort na parang okay, a breather na. I have this person who experienced the same thing as me and will be okay in this event. There are lots of people that I would love to introduce to Ate Ash too. You've met Darren Espanto, AC said. Sila, Jeremy Glinoga, Angela Ken, Hadia Santos, Ken San Jose, sila po. I feel like everyone. On the other hand, Ashley will be attending the event with her boyfriend, Mavi Legaspi, who invited her shortly after her eviction from PBB. In-invite ako ni Mavi to be his date, yun. Tapos, he told me, I think, 2 days ago, nung kakabalik ko lang din actually sa condo, from eviction night pa yun. Sabi niya, are you free this Friday? When you're ready, when you feel like you're back on the outside world, would you be my date at the ABS-CBN Ball? Ang una talaga, sabi ko, wait lang, ang haggard ko pa, wala pa akong dress. Tapos, Friday na agad, she shared. Ngayon, I'm actually excited, but at the same time, kinakabahan din ako kasi tulad ng sinabi ko sa bahay ni Kuya, wala akong masyadong friends na kapamilya, she continued. So, sabi ko na lang kay Mavi, huwag kang mawawala sa tabi ko. Baka ma-up ako dun. Though nervous about attending her first Kapamilya Ball, Ashley feels more at ease knowing AC will be there. You'll, AC, be there naman pala. Okay, so let's be there together also. But I'm so excited and I can't wait to see my Kapamilya idols. Baka mas starstruck ako dun, Ashley expressed. Beyond the glamour, Ivana, AC, and Ashley are grateful to be part of an event with a meaningful cause. I'm happy na this year nagkaroon ng ball and especially it's not just a ball na pagandahan, paseksihan, pabunggahan, it has a nice meaning. Meron siyang calls na napakaganda, yun, Ivana said. AC echoed the sentiment, emphasizing the importance of helping others. In anything that I do, the reason why I am here in the first place is to be able to help and inspire, and if I could do that in any event, even just showing up, I will continue doing so. When we're in the house pa lang po we were able to help through our tasks, AC reflected, so, it's nice that even outside, just a few days after, makakatulong po agad ako, she added. Ashley agreed, saying, if it's for a cause and it's for a charity, You will always do it, you're willing to do. So, ako, the fact na makakatulong na nga sa mga tao, ma-enjoy ko pa. Tapos makikita ko pa yung mga idol ko.